learn.
Hello, friends. Do you like animals? I love them. Today we're going to learn about farm animals. It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow. Cow. I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow. I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse. Horse. Horses are really fast. Horse. Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep. Sheep. This sheep is so soft. Sheep. Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen. Hen. Hens lay eggs. Hen. Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. I love rabbit ears. Rabbit. There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there. It's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them? Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hen. Rabbit. Donkey. Goat. Dog. Duck. Cat. Oops, it's getting late. I'm heading back home to make it for dinner. See you around.
Pig. Pig. En esta hojita lo que van a hacer es mirar las imágenes de los animalitos de la granja y contar cuántos hay y escribir el numerito que corresponde en los cuadritos. Esta hoja es para recortar y armar los animalitos. Espero que les guste, chicos. Bye bye.